Hey everyone, Greg here. Within SEMRush, you can hack together a report to find out what keywords are on the bottom of page one of Google and how much traffic they're driving to a page as an overview. The way to get this report is go to Pages, click on Advanced Filters, and then use these settings right here. So keyword greater than 7, keyword less than 11. Now you can change these settings, but let's just continue. So you hit Apply. This is my view right here. This is my target page that has the most traffic based off this criteria. So this is the page. And if you want to find out what the keywords are that are ranking for this content, if you go to keywords, click on 9, it's going to come up with this view right here where by default it's looking at keywords 4 through 10. So you can see right here there's 6 keywords. And if you scroll down a bit, the keywords are listed by traffic. So of course the ones that are on the bottom of page 1 of Google or in that page 1 of Google, 260 searches per month, position 10 gets about 7 visits or so. So this is what I would do. Use a tool like SEMRush to use the on-page SEO checker or the content template to figure out what missing words are needed to help rank this page. Or you can also use a tool like TF-IDF. So the way this works is if you take this URL right here, paste it in, go back into SEMRush, and now we're going to choose baseball opener. Click on that, hit keyword, all, analyze. The way that this is going to work is TF-IDF is going to now crawl the top 20 sites that rank for baseball opener, and they're going to actually aggregate their results against my own website. They're going to come up with a report of the words that are either optimized, maybe have like a penalty based off like if there's keyword stuffing, etc. So within this report right here, you can change from 3 words to 2 words to 1 word. So the way I go about this for clients and even for my own website is that I'll look at something like this and say, okay, I'm using the words Tampa Bay, first inning, baseball opener, etc. too often. But right here, I'm not thinking about words like opener strategy, innings pitch, opener game, 5 innings, etc. So you can even scroll down. You can figure out how your average score against the top 5 and how many times you're potentially using a word, which might seem to be over-optimized. So if you're looking for ways to increase the keyword rank for those keywords on the bottom of page 1 of Google, I recommend playing around with those settings to find a report like this, figure out what those keywords are, look at the page as an overview, and then use a tool like SEMRush or TF-IDF to go after that target keyword and see what you can do to help amplify that content.